Hi friends, welcome to GrowthCrafts. In my continuous journey of developing English communication, I am just shooting the videos and putting it in raw format. You could not expect more edit, more entertainment like that because the lesser time I am having, I am busy in some other schedules. If you want entertainment video like that, this video is not for you. You may skip this video and go for better video. But you want to some perspective, some interesting insights from me, you may continue watching these kind of videos. So let's go to the subject. Regarding communication, I have been uploaded one or two videos regarding communication. This is one of the series among following those videos. The English communication continuously evolving, and we need to go far beyond that. I am in the low and mid level, not a mid level, minimum level. So I am continuously developing in the English language based on the reading, writing, and watchings. I will see lot of movies and series in all the OTT platforms. For that, the main purpose is for developing communication skills using the subtitles provided by those movies or series. But even though I have been tried along those, but I could not able to improve the communication skills what I have been achieved. So last 2 weeks before, I have been purchased two books, The Mind Piece for Everything and Communication, The Art of Communication books. I read those things and get some insights. Still far we need to go for developing our communication skill. I have been subscribed on newspaper for reading and vocabulary understandings, learning some other grammar and all. So reading is the good practice for learning English language, knowing new words on daily basis, what they have been used. So in the journey of those things, I have been enrolled on reading classes. They will teach reading, speaking, writing with the American instinct languages. One of those friends told me that we are all continuously practicing ancient Indian English method, but actual English is not like that. That is far more advanced from our current systems. The American peoples, British peoples, how they speaking, what they are speaking. They speak very fluently as we spoke. So we need to achieve those level. We don't know we will achieve it or not, but if we try, we will reach some basic level. That basic level for Indian culture, for us, it is more persuasive and more helpful for our growth. So in the journey of things, I have been learned that pronunciation and learning comprehension is more important. The letter spelling and reading is continuously different what we are doing right now. I will explain you in the upcoming video because the classes have been started just now. I am also new beginner. I am starting from zero. I learn, I will correct, and I will repeat. This is my progress method. If you have any such kind of experience, you may put it in comments. I will check and I will develop in further upcoming videos if anything especially remarkable. Thank you.